Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter number 4 of ECA subject, which is frequency response of transistor amplifier. Okay, so in this chapter the first topic is that what is a gain. Okay, so let us start. We are knowing that what is a gain. Okay, so it is simply a ratio of output upon input. Okay, so we can represent gain is equal to output upon input. Now important thing is that the gain is unit less quantity. That means gain does not having any unit. Okay, so in terms of amplifier, if we consider a gain, then gain is nothing but it may be voltage gain, current gain or power gain. જો આપણે એમ્પ્લીફાયર જે છે એ કોઈપણ ફોર્મેટમાં યુઝ કરતા હોય અથવા કોઈપણ ટાઈપનું એમ્પ્લીફાયર હોય તો એમાં ત્રણ પ્રકારની ગેઇન હોઈ શકે: વોલ્ટેજ ગેઇન, કરંટ ગેઇન એન્ડ પાવર ગેઇન. ઓકે, ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ વસ્તુ એ છે કે એનો કોઈ યુનિટ નથી. ઓકે, યુનિટ લેસ ક્વોન્ટિટી. ઇટ ઇઝ જસ્ટ અ ફિગર ઓર અ નંબર. ઓકે, નાઉ let us discuss that how to represent gain in decibel. Okay, so first of all we will represent that gain is equal to log base 10 to the a. Okay, now if we convert our gain into log base 10, okay, then it is called the gain in BEL, bel. So bel is a unit which is discovered to represent universally the gain of any particular device or amplifier. Okay, now this bel is a very large unit. Okay, so now when we are writing a gain of particular device or amplifier, then if we represent it into the bel, then it is very large, so we will get the answer in a point 0.1, 0.002 or something like this. Okay, so what we have done, we have multiplied this side by 10 and also this side by 10. Now the gain which is multiplied by 10 and it is converted into log scale, so new name comes into the picture, that is decibel. Okay, so decibel is nothing but the name of the unit bel which is multiplied by 10. So the equation becomes 10 log. Okay, so finally this is the equation of decibel. Now let us see that if our amplifier having a gain which is A and this is a power gain, so let us assume the output power of amplifier is P out and input power is P in. Okay, so the gain will become P out upon P in. Let us put these things is equal to A. Now put this value in place of A. So 10 log base 10 to the P out upon P in. Okay, so this is the equation which we can also write for the power gain to convert it into the decibel. Okay, now we are also knowing that power P can also be represented as V square by R. Now in this amplifier, if our output voltage we are denoting it as with the V0 and input voltage we are denoting it with the V in, then this equation of gain will becomes V out by V in. Okay, so now the similar equation number 1, we are putting the P out and P in terms of V square by R. So the equation will become 10 log base to the 10 P out means V out square by R divided by V in square by R. Okay, now the R becomes cancelled out and the final equation becomes 20 log 10 V out upon V in. Okay, so now the equation is converted into voltage gain. So if we want to convert our voltage gain into decibel, in dB, then this will be the equation. Okay, now similar way, if we put a equation P is equal to I square R, that means P can also be represented as a I square R. Okay, now if we consider gain in terms of output current upon input current, then consider my output current is I0, input current is I in. Okay, so represent the equation in third format, that is 10 log from this equation. Okay, 10 log base 10 P out is nothing but the I out square into R upon I in square into R is equal to R will cancel out, and the similar way the equation becomes 10 log base 10 20 log base 10 I out upon I in. So this equation will give current gain in dB. So this will become the equation number 2 and this will become the equation number 3. Okay, so the only difference in this 3 equation is this one. If we are considering A is the power gain, then we have to use this equation 10 log P out upon P in. If we consider voltage or current gain, then the equation will become 20 log. If the voltage, then V out by V in. If the current, then I out by I in. Okay, so it is the current voltage gain, this is the current gain, but the multiplier here to the log 10 is 20. Okay, so now this is the 3 equation. From by this equation we can convert our normal gain into the particular decibel gain which may be power gain, voltage gain, or current gain. Okay, so now let us discuss one table. If we have a normal gain, this is the power gain we have converted into dB, and this is a voltage or current gain which is converted again into dB. So this is the comparison between the simple gain with the gain which is converted into dB. Okay, so this is the power gain column, this is the voltage or current gain column. The equation for both is having this difference. We have converted here, this equation contains the 10, this equation contains the 20. So this from this table, if we put the value here 1 in this equation, 1 in this equation 1, so we will get the 0 dB, 0 dB, both this case. If we put the gain 10, then the power gain will become 10 dB in the dB, and voltage and current gain will become the 20 dB. If we increase one more 0 in the gain, then this will increase a 10 dB, and this will increase the 20 dB. Again we increase one more 0, this will become 30 from the 20 dB, and this will become the 60 from the 40 dB. That means the gap, every increase in the 1 0 in the gain, if it is a power gain, then the every increase in the 1 0, it will increase a 10 dB plus in the previous value. And in this side, voltage gain and the current gain, it will increase a 20 dB when we increase a 1 0 in the gain. Likewise, so it will be very easy to remember that if we are increasing 1 0 in the gain, if it is power gain, then 10 dB will be rise, and if it is a voltage gain or current gain, then it will rise by 20 dB. Okay, so it is only intention to just show the table that you can remember it by this way, so it will be very easy to calculate. Sometimes without calculation you will get the answer very easily. Okay, so this is the purpose of this table. Now let us discuss, if we are going to connect a multiple amplifier in the cascade connection. Cascade means one amplifier which having output is connected to the input of the another amplifier. Okay, so we have just taken a 2 amplifier right now, and consider this is the amplifier number 1, this is the amplifier number 2. The gain of amplifier 1 is A1, gain of amplifier 2 is A2, and we have given a numeric value to the amplifier. A1 is 10 and A2 is 100. Okay, so we have taken this A1 and A2 is the power gain. This is the power gain. Now this is just a gain, not in decibel. Okay, so the overall gain of the multiple connected cascaded connected amplifier can be find out by the following equation, which is A is equal to A1 into A2. If there is n stages connected into the cascade, then we can multiply the gain of individual amplifier like this, A1 into A2 into up to An. That means all individual amplifiers gain will be multiplied. So in this case, this gain will become 10 into 100. So it will become the 1000. Okay. Now, if we convert a gain into decibel of each stage, okay, see the gain A1, which is a normally written here a 10, which is not in dB. So we will convert it into dB first. That that will become the 10 log base 10 to the A1, so it will become the 10 dB. Now convert the second amplifier and its gain into the dB. So the equation is this one, and we will find out into dB, which is 10 log base 10 100 we can write down 10 raised to 2. So the log 10 base 10 to the 10 is nothing but the 1, and this 2 will become multiplier of this 10, so 20 dB. So now if we are containing the gain of each amplifier into dB, then we do not have to multiply this gain, we have to add it out. So in case of dB, we have to add all the gains of cascaded connected all stages of the amplifier. So in this case it will become the 30 dB. Okay, so as we have find out the gain of normally given gain, in this case we are getting the answer 1000. Okay, so as we are seeing this table, we have seen this table in the above discussion, that if we check out the gain which is 1000 and its converted dB gain, which is power gain, which is 30 dB. So in this similar case we are getting A is 1000 and the converted dB gain which is 30 dB. So both are same. Okay, if we call it is a power gain of 30 dB, or we can say a normal gain of 1000. So now if you want to convert this 30 dB into again a normal gain, then we have to put the similar equation, but we have an answer available which is 30 dB is equal to 10 log base to the 10, and A is the ratio of P out upon P in, which is a normal gain. Okay, so now put this value, put this 10 over the denominator of this 30, and this is log A base to the 10. So taking the antilog, so in the antilog A is equal to base 10 power to the 30 divided by 10. So it is nothing but we have taken the antilog of this. Okay, so this will become 10 raised to 3 and 1000. So the reversely processed gain, which is 30 dB, and again we have converted it into the normal gain, which is nothing but the 1000. So as we have calculated, A is from the normal equation, multiplication of gain of each stage. So both the way this equation is correct. So what we have seen from this particular lecture, that we have seen that if we represent a gain into a bell, then simply we have to take the log of our gain. This is nothing but the unit bell we are representing for the gain, but this is a very large unit, so we have keep scaling up down this bell into the decibel and multiply both the side with the 10. So the new name, the gain in dB, which is multiplied by 10, that is decibel, and the equation will becomes this one. Okay, so why we are converting this gain into bell? Because it is universal standard for any device or any particular amplifier or anything where we are going to represent the gain. Okay, so the gain can be represented into decibel. Okay, firstly it is discovered in the format of bell, but it is very large unit, so we have converted this large unit into smaller unit, and it is decibel. Okay, so it is for any device you can use the word gain in electronics. Okay, So we are representing the similar things in this fashion. Okay, so right now we are discussing the amplifiers gain. So there is a three types of gain in amplifier: power gain, voltage gain, and current gain. So these three equations 1, 2 and 3 we have derived to find out our amplifiers gain into decibel. Three types of gain. Okay, then we have discussed scenario or the comparison that how we can remember this gain into a particular format. So it will be very easier to calculate. So we have seen this table, and from the table we concluded that power gain will rise by 10 dB when we increase a 10 in a gain. Similarly, voltage or current gain will rise by 20 dB if we increase a 10 in a normal gain. Then we have seen the how to calculate the gain of a multi-stage amplifier. So we have seen the equation, then we have derived, we have assigned a gain particular to amplifier 10 dB, 10 and 100. So we have calculated the gain. Then we have similar way we have converted this individual particular amplifiers gain into dB, and we have to add this particular gain when it is in the dB. So we are getting the 30 dB. Again, to cross check this both answer, it is correct or not, we have converted this 30 dB into normal gain. So we have taken antilog and it is a 1000. Okay, so in this lecture we have studied what is gain, and we have seen the equations of the gain. Then we have seen what is a decibel gain. We have find out the equations of particular power gain, voltage gain and current gain in decibel. Then we have seen the table, and then we have seen that how to find out gain into decibel when the multiple amplifiers connected into the cascade. I hope you understand all these topics. So thank you.